Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia G22, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items on this device. So firstly, remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, we need to take the cover off. If you have, you need to take it off. And then insert one part of the brush into the connector and in the simple just remove the dirt from your USB connector. So toothbrush, just a normal simple toothbrush, is the best tool to clean the connector on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.